Please don't forget your turn signal. Your turn signal. It lets me know which way you'll go when you reach the light. And I'm trying to cross the street at night. Your turn signal, oh, the turn signal. That's what it's for, to let us know which way you'll go when you reach the light. Especially as a pedestrian crossing the street at night. I need to know, are you going left or right? No, you can try to make it across the road, you know. The turn signal that lets me know which way you'll go when you reach the light. Oh, please don't forget, there's others out at night when you hit the light. Don't forget your turn signal so that we know which way you'll go when you hit the turn, you know. Left or right, I'm trying to find which way you'll go so I